Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Exodus mobile wallet. First, download the application from your device's official app store. Once installed, open it and create a strong, unique password to protect your funds. This password is crucial for daily access. Next, you will be prompted to write down your 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your ultimate backup, so store it securely offline, away from your device. Never share it with anyone. Now, let's cover sending and receiving cryptocurrency. To receive funds, simply tap the Receive button. This will display your unique wallet address and a QR code. You can share either of these with the person sending you crypto. To send, tap the Send button, select the asset, and then carefully enter the recipient's wallet address. Double-check the address to avoid errors, enter the amount you wish to send, and confirm the transaction details. Exodus makes it easy to exchange cryptocurrencies directly within the app. Just tap the exchange icon, select the assets you wish to swap, and enter the amounts. Always review the exchange rates and any associated fees before confirming your transaction. For enhanced security and convenience, enable biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or face identification in the settings. This adds an extra layer of protection and allows for quicker, secure access to your wallet. Beyond the basics, Exodus offers several advanced features. You can explore the staking section to potentially earn rewards on certain supported cryptocurrencies by holding them in your wallet. Don't forget to customize your wallet's appearance and notification settings to suit your preferences. If you ever encounter an issue, Exodus provides excellent customer support directly through the app. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. They are always ready to help you with any questions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.